tonight is not just about the reveal of Lux White's Ultima and the Lux White Ultimate Collection. It's about understanding the vision behind it, the purpose it serves, and the people who brought it to life. Joining me now on stage are the visionaries behind this breakthrough, along with the faces that will bring this revolution to the world. First, may I call on stage Rian and Michelle. Palakpakan po natin. Rian Rama and Michelle Marquez G. May I also call on stage Richmond Yu, who's the Chief Operating Officer, Sam Versosa, our Chief Executive Officer, and President R.S. Francisco. Okay, congratulations on this launch.
Thank you, Tito Boy.
Thank you, Tito Boy. Hindi ko po alam kung paano mag-uumpisa kanina. Thank you, RS, for letting me in at least into a couple of things about it. But congratulations, really congratulations to you guys. Palakpakan po na. Yeah, this launch was out of this world. It was, how do you call that? It was extraordinary, it was supernatural. It was preternatural. The boldest marketing move in the history of marketing in this country. Congratulations. Okay, I'm going to tatanungan RS, Richmond and Sam. Paano ba, how to get into that? It was a theater of the absurd at its most brilliant. Paano ba, how to get into that idea?
Tito Boy, we just stay true to our core. In front row, we don't just do certain things. We do things in a certain way. And we call it the front row way. Of course, saan pa tayo? Hindi na tayo lalayo, kundi sa team po namin, especially po si RS. Si RS po talaga yung the brains behind the boldest marketing move.
Kinusultan namin ng galing sa labas, nag-represent sa amin. Pero
Ibang
wala,
ahensya.
iba-iba, pero wala na lang kami mga nagustuhan. So parang medyo okay, pero kulang eh. Yung ano yung okay na, pero meron kami hinahanap. Hindi namin masabi kung ano hinahanap namin doon sa nag-represent sa amin. Yung pala yung hinahanap namin, sa kakahanap-hanap namin, nandito lang pala. Si Sir.
Si RS.
Actually, Tito Boy, when Sam and I were talking about how to make Lux White Enhanced Glutathione even better, even stronger, sabi namin, kung i-launch natin yan, Sam, the campaign has to be out of this world. Sam, I told him, one of the meetings, we can go generic like all the other companies. We can say, put a silhouette and say coming soon, 3 more days, and then we'll reveal it with a cloth and ta-da! We can go as generic as that. But of course, that's why I admire my business partner so much. He gives in to all my whims. In other words, sa Tagalog, lahat ng kalukalukahan ko. Pumayag siya. In fact, when I was conceptualizing this, Sam was, I think, having a sortie in Tondo. But then, habang sinasabi ko, gusto ko may lamay, gusto ko may ganyan, hanggang i-bash tayo, hanggang sabihin, magsasara na, hanggang sabihin, ganyan. Sabi ko, kayo na mag-explain kay SB kung paano. Kasi, syempre, we know he's running for mayor. And everything counts. In fact, it's 5 days, since we announced March 10, ang dami ng bashers. Super dami naming haters! Shout out po pala sa inyo dahil sa inyo nagka-free marketing pa kami. Salamat po. Imagine, nabuhay lahat ng mga haters and then sabi ko, Sam, just give me 5 days. After that 5 days, the resurrection is unbelievable. Sabi ko, because what we did, yung Lux White na marami, milyon-milyon nagmamahal, not just here in the Philippines, but all over the world. Sabi namin, paano pa to? So sabi namin, Tito Boy, patindihin pa natin, doblehin natin yung milligrams. So from 700 milligrams now it's 1,000, 2,000. 1,400 milligrams. So, yung dating glutathione lang, we packed it with collagen, oral moisturizer, oral sunblock, talagang lahat ng gusto natin. Of course, we know now kasi talaga na everybody wants to look good. Everybody has the right to look good and be healthy. So sabi ko, Sam, pili ka, the generic launch or as you've said, a bold move. Sabi ni Sam, RS, go. Do that bold move.
Okay, for something as risque, for something as spectacular as this one, magpakatuto din tayo. It can either work or it can flop. How much of that fear was there? And what pushed you to jump into the unknown?
Well, you know why? Ever since I was young, I was doing everything against the grain. I like risky things. I like the risk. I love it. Saan po tayo nakakita ng isang kumpanya na yung produkto ilalagay sa ataol? Meron po ba? Wala. Baliw lang ang gagawa nun. At front row yun. Okay. Yun talaga yung sinasabi ko kay Sam. Sabi ko, Sam, that's the reason kung bakit tayo ginagaya. Sabi ko, expect Sam, after we launch this, lahat ng other companies, ganito na rin ang kanilang launches.
I think what we're trying to say here is, especially to our three bosses, hindi lamang kayo mga henyo pagdating sa marketing. I mean, I think everybody knows that. Pero you also have this kind of bravado, I mean, not a kind of bravery. It's a kind of bravery. And tonight's turnout, we're beginning to, up to where we are right now, ano yung reaksyon ng ating mga kaibigan?
Actually, excited ako, Tito Boy. All my life, just like RS, risk taker ako eh. It's always been calculated risk. Ang ganda nga nung sinabi ni Rian, the only thing that can kill Lux White is Lux White. Sino pwedeng tumalo sa'yo?
Maganda lang ang sinabi ni Rian, ano pa ang maganda?
Siyempre, kaya nga siya po ang aking newest signature face. Hindi
Dito
lang
ka
ng
nga,
Lux White.
pwede ka naman ako dito kung gusto mo.
Ang ganda yung
Gano'n tayo magpalit.
Ang ganda yung sinabi ni Rian, pero iba ang tingin, di ba?
Nawala tuloy ako. May sinasabi ko.
Nakatitig ka kasi yan, huwag mo na tumitig na wala
Yung sinabi ni Rian, katulad ng sinabi
The
ni
only
Rian.
thing that can kill Lux White is Lux White. And the only competition we have is not the others, but ourselves. And we are aware of that. That's why lagi namin tinuturo to sa mga distributors natin na non-stop improvement, non-stop bettering of ourselves, non-stop learning, upgrading, and being the best version of yourself. By taking the supplements, by being a distributor, by being part of the company. That's what our advocacy is, becoming the best version of ourselves. And nakikita yan sa products, nakikita yan sa distributors, nakikita yan sa company. And we're just so proud na naging successful yung tonight's event. And wala na, mahirapan na itong ano yun. Mahirapan ang itap to dahil nagawa na.
Ang sunod naman, gawa tayong binyan.
Ito kay Sam, no? Sam, kasi ako napansin ko, you're really using Lux White eh. Tapos may experience ako with Sam nung nasa Las Vegas tayo, di ba? Before the pandemic. Nasugatan si Sam dito. Ang laki ng sugat mo, di ba? Nakita ko nagdudugo talaga siya. Pero nung makita ko siya after the pandemic, nagulat ako, Kuya Boy, no? Sabi ko, Sam, grabe, hindi ka nagka-pekla. Tapos yun nga, sabi nga, kasi he's using Lux White, di ba? Ang laking tulong, di ba?
Yes, actually nagkaroon ako ng super freak accident sa Las Vegas, Tito Boy. I hit my face dito, my forehead sa isang bottle, sa kakatawa ko, napaganoon ako. Tapos biglang nakat to kasi one of the most manipis ko. So, hindi siya pinatahi. Kasi sabi ko, nakakatakot magpatahi. So sabi ko, iinuman ko na lang siguro ng mga antibiotics. Tapos ng Lux White. And yun, dinala ko sa ospital, pinadikit ko lang, pinalagyan ko ng glue, ginanon ko ng parang tape. Tapos, I waited for it to heal. Tapos, you know, ang kaibahan sa product namin, we are the products of our own product.
Yes.
Kaya sa Manila, tinasabi sa akin, "Uy, ang bata mo ba?" Sabi ko, "Hindi na po ako bata, 42 na po ako. 42 na po ako." And nung nangyari yung malaking cut dito ko, at nakagamit ko kasi I take 3 capsules every morning. Nakikita niyo rin yan. Isa yan sa mga ritual ko. Pag-gising ko, I take Lux White talaga. And yun, alaking na itulong sa amin. Clear skin, younger looking skin, and nawala pati yung teklat and sugat ko.
Ang bongga, no? Talagang, remember nung nakita tayo.
Ito din naalala ko.
Sabi ko, grabe. Walang talagang tinignan ko mabuti, wala.
Pero
Walang chismis.
Naalala ko, ako nakalimutan ko na nga eh. He sent me a photo nga niyan. Sabi ko, ano, come to think, tama nga.
Bumuka po talaga. I sent RS the...
Pinadala niya akong picture.
Pinadala ko yung binuka kong ganun.
Yeah.
Kahit ako medyo namorbidan pa.
Tapos sabi ko, ano yan, papatahin mo ba yun? Magkakaroon ka ng peklat dyan.
Yeah.
There.
Actually, magkasama tayo dun sa isang hotel, di ba, with Bernard. Grabe, tumutubo siya. Talagang kitang-kita mo yung cut niya, di ba? Kasi hindi ka pa rin punta that time sa hospital, remember?
Ganito po.
Ayaw na mag-hospital.
Takot siya, di ba?
Yung dugo ba, puliin ko lang ako puti.
Kamuti lang. Akala ko kamuti lang.
Pero yan, congrats ha.